Serial 000 on ISP, serial 010 on R2, serial 000 on R1, serial 000 on R2, serial 001 on R3, serial 001 on R2. Gigabit 00, gigabit 01, gigabit 00, gigabit 01, gigabit 00, gigabit 01. 18, 18, 6, configure device name as shown in the topology. Disable DNS lookup. Assign classes the privilege exec password. Cisco console MBTY password. Encrypt the console password. Configure a message of the day banner. Authorized access only. From 1 to 7, they are the basic settings on devices. And the basic settings for all devices are the same. So I will use a notepad to do the basic configurations, then paste on each device because they are the same. Configure device name. Host name, and set the name for the host that you want. Enter. I will do it at the end. Host name. Disable DNS lookup. No IP domain lookup. Assign class as the privilege exec password. Enable secret class. Assign Cisco as the console MBTY passwords. Line console 0 password Cisco login. Line BTY 0 to 15 password Cisco login. Encrypt the console password. Okay, exit and service password encryption. Configure message of the day banner. Authorized access only. banner message of the day. Authorized access only. And at the end, the hostname. And paste to all devices. Start for R1. CLI. Would you like to enter initial configuration? No. Enter. Enable. Configure terminal. On global configuration mode, here, paste. Okay. All commands. The hostname R1. R2. CLI. No. Enter. Enable. Configure terminal. On global configuration mode, paste. Hostname R2. R3. No. Enable configure terminal. Paste R3. S1. CLI. Enter. Enable configure terminal. On global configuration mode, paste S1. S2. Enter. Enable configure terminal. Paste hostname S2. ISP router. Now enter. Enable configure terminal. Paste R3. Sorry, ISP. Enter. And finally, S3 switch. Enable configure terminal. Paste S3. Eight. Configure the router gigabit 00 ports with the first valid IP address. PCs should be assigned the last IP address. Okay. For example, on R1, this is the gigabit 00, the LAN interface. This is the network. Use the first IP on that network. Interface gigabit 00, IP address 192.168.1. If the network is 0, the first IP is 1. 255, 255, 254. Sorry, is 0. Okay. Do not use this 255, 255, 255, 0, because the subnet mask is 24. Okay, no shutdown. Assign the last IP for PCA 192.168.1 254. The default gateway is the router 1.1. R3 gigabit 00. This is the network 20. Interface gigabit 00, IP address 192.168.2. The first IP is 1 on subnet mask 255, 255, 0. No shutdown. And the IP address, the last IP for the PC 192.168.2.254 because it's the last subnet mask, and the fault gateway 192.168.2.1. Ready. ISP gigabit 00, interface gigabit 00, IP address 192.168.3. That the first one, subnet mask 24, that is 255.255.255.0, shut down. And for PC, use the last IP on that network, 192.168.3.254, subnet mask, and the default gateway is the IP address of gigabit 00 on the ISP router 31. Very good. 9. Assign R2 the first valid IP address on the links between R2 and R1, and R2 and R3. Okay. Serial 000 on R2 will be the first IP on this network, 10.110. R2 interface 0.0.0.0, IP address 10.1.1.1, the first IP. The subnet mask is here 30, so the on decimal 252. No shutdown. If this is the first IP, on R1, serial 000 will have the second IP. Go to R1, interface 0.0.0.0, IP address 10.1.1.2, 255, 255, 255, 252. No shutdown. Okay. 11. Set the clock rate for DCE serial interfaces in 128,000. So this is the clock rate, the DCE interface on this link, this with the clock. So serial 000 on R1 is the DCE interface. So access R1, serial 000 clock rate 128,000. The another side, serial 000 on R2 is DTE, no clock here. Now also on this link between R2 and R3, on this network 10.2.2.0, R2 serial 001 will have the first IP address. Enter serial 001 will have the first IP 221, subnet mask 30, and decimal 252. No shutdown. For serial 001 on R3, use the second IP, interface 001. On R3, IP address, the second IP 10.2.2.2, 255, 255, 255, 252. Set the clock rate because this is the DCE interface, no shutdown. Okay, here is the clock. Serial 001 on R3 should be configured with clock rate 128,000. But another link is not the DCE, is the DTE serial 001 on R2. Assign the ISP the first valid IP address on the link between ISP and R2. Serial 000 on ISP should have the first IP. Interface 0.0.0.0 IP address. On this network, 10.3.3.0. So the first is 10.3.3.1. Subnet mask 30, 252. Is the DC interface. Here is the clock. Clock rate 128,000. Not shut down. The another side will have the second IP address, serial 010 on R2. Serial 010 on R2. IP address 10.3.3. If ISP is the first IP, R2 is the second, 10.3.3.2.252. DTE interface, no clock rate, and no shutdown. 12. Configure OSPF in routers R1, R2, and R3. R1, exit router OSPF. Use 1 as the OSPF process in all routers. Process 1. Enter. Okay, show the directly connected networks. Do we show IP route connected? You have 2 directly connected networks. Notify bot network 10110. Wildcard is 3. For 3D, wildcard is 3. But check the area. This is serial 000. Serial 000 on area 0. Okay? Serial 000 on area 0. So this network belongs to area 0. Area 0. The another network, 192.168.1.0, wildcard for 24 is 255. For 24 is 255. Area for gigabit 00, gigabit 00, area 1. Area 1. Enter. Okay. The passive interface will be gigabit 00. Enter. Gigabit 00 is the passive interface because this interface does not have a router as the neighbor. It's only a PC, so use passive interface on that interface. R3, exit router OSPF 1. Do show IP route connected. Enter. Two directly connected networks. Notify bot network 10.2.2.0. Wildcard for 30 is 3. Area serial 001. Serial 001 belongs to area 0. 0, enter. Another network, 192.168.2.0. Wildcard 255, area. Remember, 255 is the wildcard for 24. And the area for gigabit 000 is gigabit 00 area 2. Area 2, enter. The passive interface is gigabit 00. Gigabit 00 is the passive interface because it doesn't have a router as the neighbor in that side. Now configure R2. Exit router OSPF 1. Do show IP routes connected. Network 10.1.1.0. Wildcard is 3 area. Serial 000. Serial 000 area 0. 0, enter. Another network, enter another network 10.2.2.0. Wildcard 3 area for serial 001, for serial 001, area 0, okay, area 0, enter, very nice. And do not notify for serial 010, do not notify this network, 10330, okay, enter. Do not notify, I repeat, do not notify this network 10330 on serial 001, the connection to ISP, because later you will use the 14 instruction to configure a default route on R2 to the ISP router. So this interface can be passive because it's not using in OSPF. Passive interface CLC 010. Configure a default route on R2 and ISP router. Okay, go to R2, exit. On global configuration mode, set the static default route, IP route, default static route, and use the next hop IP address, this IP, the IP of serial 000 on ISP that is the first on this network, 10331. 10331. Redistribute the route to other routers R1 and R3. Go to R2, access OSPF, router OSPF1, and redistribute the static default route. Default information originate, enter. Okay, verify OSPF on this router and show IP route. This network is this network is this OSPF network is this inter area because it's area 1. This another network is this, and the static default route, the static route configured to reach another networks like the LAN on ISP. On R1, verify and show IP route. This network is this. This network is this. This network is this. This inter-area network is this. And OSPF external, the default route is the static route to reach another networks. R3 verify and show IP route. Very good. On ISP, configure a static route to reach this another networks. Exit. On global configuration mode, IP route. You can use a default static route and use the next hop IP address. The IP address of serial 10 on R2 and is the second IP on this network, 10332. 10332. Test connectivity. For example, from PCA, ping PCB. The IP address of PCB is 254. Success. The first ping will fail for the ARP process. If you repeat, all success. Now ping to PCC, that is 3 to 54. Okay, from PCC, for example, ping PCA is 1 to 54, success, and PCB 2 to 54, success. Thank you.